Hi there, I'm Rian Simpson, and I finally have my drone flying. So here's my demo for Project 4. This first attempt was probably my most successful attempt, although I didn't get the landing quite in the camera shot. Uh,
I
I have
do.
mastered taking off, but landing is giving me a little bit more trouble as an operator. On this second attempt, I end up landing successfully, but the drone does flip over slightly at the end. And finally, on my third attempt, I took it down for kind of a fake landing. And when I had it up in the air, I instinctually turned the throttle off, which is not what you want to do, and so snapped my legs. So repairing that and looking forward to doing more.